Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can mark supplier invoices as paid on Bokio accounting software. We have two ways how we can record payments. Either we can go to suppliers and purchases and click on supplier invoices to access all list of invoices that have status of unpaid. From here, click on invoice which we have paid, so in my case Advert Limited, and I can register payment by clicking on this blue button. From here I have a pop-up message card which I need to fill in. So firstly select bank account from which it has been paid, or maybe it was paid from a cash account. Select the payment date. Payment type will be payment to supplier. It will be not refund from supplier. Amount, it might be as a partial payment, so maybe 150 has been paid to the supplier. Select an appropriate amount or enter appropriate amount. Another way we can access or register payment is through our things to do list. From things to do list, scroll to the things to pay, and there is Adverts Limited invoice. We can register payment directly from the screen, so click on register payment and we can select an account from which it has been paid, when, so I will select 23rd, payment to supplier, and I will register £150 and click register payment. Now if I want, I can actually go to supplier invoice directly, or maybe mark as a scheduled for a payment. For example, because it's due in 2 days, I can schedule it for a payment within next 2 days. If I go to supplier invoice, so it drops to our list, I can actually delete this payment of 150, confirm, and register payment in full of 250 for my credit card account dated 23rd and register payment. So now there is remaining £0 as a balance. So this is a way how we can record or mark supplier invoices as paid on Bokio accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my Bokio tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.